DIY mini balloon cake topper. You'll receive 10 balloons, craft wire, glue dots and sticks or straws along with instruction manuals. You begin by simply blowing the balloons into different sizes. A nice round shape can be achieved by blowing the balloon, letting some air out and pushing it down onto a slightly higher surface. You can make the balloon into different sizes. That totally depends on what your preference is. Once you have tied a confetti balloon, slightly rub it to make the confetti static. You can also use the cloth if you prefer. Now get 2 balloons and tie them into pairs. This is called a dupli. Tie all the balloons and make them duplis until you have finished. Get the craft wire and wrap one of the duplis securely. Place another dupli and wrap the craft wire around this. Make sure it's nice and tight and secure. Again, place another dupli on top of this, securing the craft wire around this. Repeat this until you have finished all your duplets and secure the wire at the end, and you can simply tie a knot. You can also adjust the balloons to your preference. Get the glue dots and apply them onto your sticks or straws. Place these underneath the balloon and there we are, these are ready to place onto your cake. Thank you for watching.